exercise, a little bit of Tlingit, Haida, Tsimshian aerobics. I haven't been doing them very long, so I'm really perspiring here right now. At the present time, next on the program, we have Rosa Miller, the Mount Juneau Tlingit dancers. Rosa Miller comes from Yahtehit, and she's of the Dog Salmon clan, and I have a privilege of introducing the Mount Juneau dancers.
Sorry, Rosa, but we have a silver Ford Ranger XLT silver with canopy, license number 5282CG. You're blocking the staff parking and they need you to move the car because they need to get out. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are very happy to be here to perform for you. My daughter, Fran Houston, is usually our narrator, but she's going to school in Seattle. She'll be back this evening. I don't know if I still remember how to do this, but I will try. Our next song will be the Stop Outside. This song was composed by Andy Kwan. In the first verse is, I don't know what I'm looking for, my grandfather's voice. The second one is, I couldn't get the answer, it was just like he was praying.
Sa
song we are going to do is the Juneau City, and this was composed by Mike Moore. He is Nushkitan. First verse is, do you think it's only because of you this Juneau City goes on and on? You must not know your mind. The second verse is, just like I have been drinking, you make me dizzy, you make my head spin when I think of you. This next song we are going to do is the Elk Love Song, and this song was composed by Bob Smith. Our people firmly believe in reincarnation, and he likes square dancing so much that he composed the song. And the first verse is, when I am dead, for this I will come back, this new way of living, Dipper House children, mingling with each other. And the second verse is it true? Are you sincere? Are you going to die with your raven? People of the Hoona clan, I hope it is true, this feeling you have. This next one we're going to do is The Storm is Coming, and this was composed by my grandfather, Sean Such. He is Alquan. And the first verse is, the storm is coming. I was praying with God when the boat was sinking with me. But in my confusion, I thought I was speaking to God, but instead I was speaking to Tlingit. Second verse, I don't believe that all my wolves are going to die with me, but they will not. We will now do our exit, and thank you.